Have you ever walked past a bright red object on the side of the road and wondered why it's always there? Most people ignore it every single day. Cars pass by it, people walk around it, kids sometimes sit on it. But during a deadly fire, that small metal structure suddenly becomes one of the most important things in an entire city. That object is called a fire hydrant, and behind its simple appearance hides a fascinating mystery most people never think about. Imagine a building burning in the middle of the night. Smoke fills the sky. People are trapped. Firefighters arrive within minutes. But here's the scary part. Their truck only carries a limited amount of water. If the fire keeps spreading, that water can disappear incredibly fast. So where does the endless supply of water come from? That's where the fire hydrant becomes a silent hero. Under almost every city street lies a hidden underground network of giant water pipes. These pipes carry water to homes, schools, offices, restaurants, and hospitals every second of the day. Fire hydrants are directly connected to this underground system. When firefighters attach large hoses to a hydrant and open it, water rushes out at extremely high pressure. In just 1 minute, a hydrant can release hundreds or even thousands of liters of water. But the real mystery is how these hydrants stay ready all the time without anyone noticing. Some hydrants have been standing in the same place for over 50 years. Rain hits them, heat burns them, snow freezes around them in colder countries. Yet during emergencies, they still work perfectly. Engineers designed them to survive extreme conditions. Inside a hydrant are powerful valves, thick metal parts, and pressure systems carefully built to prevent leaks and damage. One of the most interesting secrets is that many hydrants are actually empty most of the time. In colder places, water staying inside could freeze during winter and crack the hydrant apart. So engineers created a clever system called a dry barrel hydrant. When the hydrant is turned off, the water drains out from the upper section automatically. That means the hydrant only fills with water when firefighters open it during an emergency. Another strange thing people rarely notice is that hydrants come in different colors. Those colors are not random decoration. In many countries, the colors secretly tell firefighters how powerful the hydrant is. A hydrant with stronger water flow may have a different cap color compared to a weaker one. During a fire, firefighters can instantly identify which hydrant can provide enough pressure to fight large flames. And here's something even more surprising. Fire hydrants can actually become dangerous weapons if damaged. If a speeding car crashes into one and breaks it, the pressure underneath can shoot water dozens of feet into the air like a giant fountain. Millions of liters of water can be wasted in just a short time. That's why many hydrants are protected by strong barriers or placed carefully near roads. There's also a hidden battle happening underground that most people never see. Rust, corrosion, dirt, mineral buildup. Over time, these things slowly damage hydrants from the inside. Cities constantly inspect and test them to make sure they work properly. Workers open hydrants regularly to flush out dirty water and check water pressure. If they fail during an emergency, entire buildings and lives could be at risk. But perhaps the biggest mystery is this: why do we barely notice something so important? Every modern city depends on thousands of fire hydrants quietly waiting underground and beside roads. Without them, firefighters would struggle to stop massive fires. Entire neighborhoods could disappear before enough water arrived. These silent machines protect homes, businesses, hospitals, schools, and millions of people every single day without asking for attention. The next time you walk past a fire hydrant, stop for a second and look at it carefully. Beneath that simple metal structure lies an invisible lifeline connected to the heart of the entire city. Most people see just a red object near the sidewalk, but in reality, it's one of the most powerful emergency tools humanity has ever built.